Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best utensil cooking sets that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Utensil Cooking Sets. Kitchen is one of the places in the house since every food is cooked in there. To get delicious food, we require adequate cooking utensils so that we can have the right materials to cook various types of food for our daily meals. There are so many kinds of utensil cooking sets out there on the market, which is quite hard for housewives or chefs to choose the right one. Number 5. Amico 8796 Stainless Steel 5-Piece Utensil Set. It's a commitment that's earned it the love and respect of professional and home cooks around the world. Houseworks creates quality, innovative, stylishly designed kitchen tools. Main features: extra long handle, high quality, dishwasher safe. Number 4. Joseph Elevate Carousel Nylon Kitchen Utensil Set. Each tool has an innovative weighted handle with an integrated tool rest that prevents the tool head from touching the counter when placed. Main features: heat resistant up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Suitable for nonstick. Stainless steel. Number 3. Maxim 17-Piece Kitchen Tool Set Black. Imagine an entire collection of kitchen tools, within arm's reach and instantly available for cooking tasks. Every tool a cook could ever need with an open stock value. Main features: wire storage basket. Limited lifetime warranty. Solid spoon. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 15-Piece Everyday Kitchen Utensil Set. This well-rounded collection makes a great gift and includes most useful utensils for whipping up a meal plus a sleek stainless steel holder. Main features: nylon and silicone tools safe for non-stick. Large capacity holder. Removable drip tray. Number 1. Cephalon 5-Piece Nylon Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. Kitchen utensils uniquely designed spoons, turner and scraper corners with different shapes, allowing utensils to reach into the edge of almost any size pan. Main features: BPA-free materials. Heat resistant to 400 degree Fahrenheit. Full lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.